In this video, we are going to be learning about the exterior angle theorem. Basically, the exterior angle of a triangle is one that lies outside of the triangle. And the exterior angle theorem says that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the non-adjacent interior angles. And if we look at a diagram to support what that looks like, in the diagram here, we have our exterior angle that's sitting outside of the triangle. And then we have these two non-adjacent interior angles. Not adjacent means not next to. Interior means inside. So those two angles are not next to the exterior angle. And they're also inside the triangle. So the sum of those two angles is equal to the exterior angle. And over here I have what that looks like in an equation format. The first non-adjacent interior angle plus the other non-adjacent interior angle is equal to the exterior angle. You will see on a couple problems today that on some numerical problems, ones that do not have the algebra, another simple method would be to use supplementary angles and the interior angle sum of a triangle. So let's take a look at some examples utilizing the exterior angle theorem. First up, if we look at this example, we're asked to find the measure of angle BCD. So I see the non-adjacent interior angles are 93 and 37. When I add them up, I get 130 degrees as my answer. On number 2, I have a similar idea. However, I know that I'm going to have to write an algebraic equation for this. So 2x plus x minus 14 equals 4x minus 66. Let's combine like terms. And let's get the variables on one side and the numbers on the other. When I'm done solving, I got that x is equal to 52. So again, just a reminder to set up the equation, you're going to add the two non-adjacent interior angles and set them equal to the exterior angle. All right, looking at some more examples. Number 3, what is the measure of the exterior angle when the non-adjacent interior angles are 52 and 36? We don't need a picture in order to answer this. We just know that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of those two non-adjacent interior angles, and therefore the exterior angle is 88 degrees in number 3. Number 4, we are asked to find the measure of angle ACD. That's this exterior angle. So we're going to add the two non-adjacent interior angles. So 106 plus 43 gives us 149 degrees. Number 5, use the exterior angle theorem to find x. Well, we know this is 90 degrees over here where the square is. So 90 plus 62, again, adding the two non-adjacent interior angles gives us that x, the exterior angle, is 152 degrees. In the next question, though, it says, how could we have found x besides using the exterior angle theorem? So I'm just going to recreate this picture very quickly. We're looking for x. And I see that I'm basically working with a triangle. If I just ignore the exterior angle for a second, I can figure out that the missing angle in the triangle is going to be 28 degrees because we know that in a triangle, the interior angle sum is 180. Then use this linear pair and know that they're supplementary, and we could get x is 152 using this method as well. So this method with supplementary angles and the interior angle sum works really well on just numerical problems, ones that don't have longer algebraic terms. Number 7, for instance, this I would just use the exterior angle rule that the non-adjacent interior angles, plus, the sum of them is equal to the exterior angle. Combine like terms to solve. And we get x is 49 in number 7. All right, finally, our last problem, find the measure of the exterior angle. Once again, the sum of the non-adjacent interior angles is equal to the exterior angle. And we're going to work through the algebra, combining like terms, and then trying to get the variables on one side and the numbers on the other. So when I'm done solving, I got that x is equal to 15, but this problem asked me to actually find the measure of the exterior angle. That's where this 10x minus 10 is. So I'm going to plug 15 in there. 10 times 15 minus 10 gives me 140 degrees. So hopefully this video helped you understand the exterior angle theorem.